This morning we're on a walk, and I have to introduce you guys to someone. It's Megan. Megan is my girlfriend, and Megan is going to be spending a month with me in Thomas this summer, and then we're going to be doing a lot of traveling together in the near future. So,
hey team.
Hey team. Yeah, she's got it already. Well, we're on the final descent, making our way down to the beach. It's so intense. So intense. What do you think, Megan?
You're a silly guy.
She thinks it's a great old time. It's super intense. Yeah. Goodbye, beach. Bye. You're a true lover of trees. Well, from walking around to riding bikes around. We're getting the Quadra experience. Going to the grocery store to get groceries. Fun. Got groceries. Now it's time to ride bikes back home in the sunshine. Oh, is he gonna go through the puddle? One of them. Oh, stay out of the puddle. Oh. We made it. Let's drink beer. Hi. Hey. Cheers to bike rides. I think I just spray you in the face. Cheers. Hello. So some of you may remember Welly, which was my 1990 Leyland DAF military truck that I converted into a house. And Welly's gone now, if any of you were wondering. Has been for a while. But I do have some stuff left over from Welly, and I thought it would be kind of fun to keep a little piece of Welly in Thomas. So I've got this door that says DAF on it that came out of Welly, and I'm going to install him. Okay, finish the door. That's not the nicest thing in the world, but I used one of these old latches that I salvaged off of a 80-year-old house door, and now I have a nice little storage space for my electronics. So yeah, I'm really happy I saved that door and I found a place to use it. Thumbs up. So while I've been working away in the truck, Megan has been over here for doing a great job, totally killing it. Oh, the stain! Look at her go. Hello. These, I've already remarked to Megan that her job doing the staining looks far better than anything I have done thus far. So, this is why I'm very happy to have help, because my stuff looks a heck of a lot better. Yay! So, yeah. It's very fumey in here. Maybe I should open a door so that this girl isn't getting totally high.
It's fun that way.
And that's the second door all completed. So I used this old clasp that I actually had in Welly at some point, and that I bought from an antique store in Nevada. And when I do this, now you can see inside. Did you just drop that on the ground? Oh my gosh!
That looks really cool.
Doesn't it though? Mm-hmm. And now, yeah. Sweet. Gotta put something on the door to make it look cool now. What do you think?
I think it looks awesome.
Yes.
Love it.
She approves. Well, building is done for the day. Dinner has been had. Now it's fire time, which I'm stoked on because I have not been by a fire in a very long time. Bonfire. Most excellent.
Is it a bonfire now?
It's a bonfire now. Yeah. It looks like it's burning hot. It looks like it is burning hot.
I don't.
That's the important part.
So let's see how long this lasts.
I'm still cold, so.
Big language barrier, but it was just, I think that it was really hard because they didn't quite understand physics and how to move in a kayak, and they were getting mad at us because they couldn't